TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. 2 p.m. Eastern time on Tuesday. 2 hours left to go in the trading day. We got markets in negative territory, but they've been clawing back those losses for most of the day. S&Ps right now negative by 8 points, trading at 3,013. Dow Jones negative by 42, trading at 27,180. NASDAQ negative by 13, trading at 82.79. Gold contract up $11 almost at 1431.30. Oil catching a bid even in the last hour or two, now up 89 cents at 57.76. Notes and bonds, we start a Fed meeting today. Announcement due tomorrow at 2 p.m. A cut, all but assured. 10-year, negative 5 ticks, 127.09. 30-year, negative 4 ticks, 154.20. And the dollar index up 14 ticks at 97.805. We'll start it off. Let's jump over to the charts. We'll start it off with the Dow. And as I mentioned, clawing back some of those losses, the low of the session, right at around 9:30. We're now trading at 27,162. We're about 20 points off the high we made at 11 a.m. this morning. NASDAQ 100, a little bit of a different story, making intraday highs as we speak, currently at 79.83. You back this up yesterday. Last night, that is, we were up at 8,019 before the slide began, so still almost 40 points from that high. S&Ps right back up at that high we were at 11:30, 3,014.87. I mentioned gold was catching a bid, 14.43 as we speak in that December contract. Crude oil as well. Check out that acceleration just in the last hour, trading from 57.24 to 57.90, and the euro-US dollar trading at 111.55. Happening, it is earnings season. Jumping over, we get Apple earnings after the bell tonight. Apple right now ahead of those earnings, down about 0.4%. We talk about it occasionally. I'm going to pull up real quick Apple on the Analyze tab on the Thinkorswim platform. The expected move on that earnings, $9 in either direction. That's a decent chunk. And to give you a feel for what they'll be looking for, Apple forecasting revenue decline for iPhone launch quarter. So they are going to report their third quarter results today, but all eyes will be on its forecast for the coming quarter. That's when Apple is expected to release new versions of their iPhone, and analysts will be expecting revenue of $61 billion in the next quarter, the fourth quarter. Still down, but during the same iPhone launch quarters in 2018 and 17, revenue was climbing 20 and 12%. So should be interesting, should hit that NASDAQ especially. Stay tuned, folks. Dave White live at 2 o'clock. Tom O'Brien live from 3 till 5. Have a great Tuesday.